Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale. The main goal is to destroy your opponent's king tower before they destroy yours. You deploy various cards, including troops and spells, by spending elixir, which regenerates over time. It's crucial to manage your elixir wisely while simultaneously defending your own 3 towers from enemy pushes. Understanding card rarities, from common to champion, helps you build a stronger collection and strategy. Building an effective deck is fundamental to success. Your deck of 8 cards should be balanced, featuring a mix of offensive units, defensive options, and at least one spell. Aim for an average elixir cost between 3 and 5 to ensure you can cycle through cards quickly. Always include a win condition card, like a Hog Rider or Giant, to consistently damage enemy towers. Experimentation is key to finding powerful card synergies. During battle, start by observing your opponent's initial moves and elixir usage. This helps you anticipate their strategy. Efficiently counter their pushes using cards that directly address their threats, like a mini PEKKA against a tank. Once you've defended, build your own strong pushes by combining multiple troops, creating a formidable attack. Remember to use spells strategically, either to gain elixir advantage or to finish off a low-health tower. To progress further, join a clan. Clans allow you to request specific cards, helping you level up your favorites and trade cards with clanmates. Participate in various in-game challenges and tournaments. These offer excellent rewards like gold and new cards. Always prioritize upgrading your most used cards to maximize their effectiveness in battle. Finally, focus on mastering 1 or 2 strong decks rather than constantly switching, which builds consistent skill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.